A lot of times when people want to ask me what it's like being an illustrator, it's really hard for them to imagine. And like the easiest explanation I've come up with is you're like an actor. Like you won't cast Daniel Day-Lewis in a slapstick comedy. He's known for a certain kind of acting. And as an illustrator, when they hire you, they go, okay, you are this kind of an illustrator. They want to cast you in, like an actor, you in your portfolio, you want to show what you can do. So they have an easy time casting, oh, this person is appropriate for this story, or this person is appropriate for this story. And the way I show it is I like drawing the figure. I like drawing humans, and I like drawing them like with like a sense of motion. And I draw like a lot kids of different backgrounds. So that's kind of what I get cast for a lot in the books. They hire me a lot because I can draw lots of kids, and I can draw kids with multiple, all sorts of different ethnicities.
I notice about your scenes, they're full of excitement and drama. It's like seeing a little play.
And like an actor, you have to act it out. It's all fine and good to use, reference you find online and stuff, but in the end, you're the one illustrating, and you have to act the scene. You have to like get out of your chair and go, whatever motion you're imagining the kids you're illustrating is, you have to kind of act it out to try to, okay, will the kid move this way? Will the kid move that way? So you have to use your whole body while you're drawing, like, get out of your chair while you're drawing and kind of move around in your head. So sometimes you use a computer and take a picture of yourself. It's like a weird thing. A lot of times when a picture is not working, the fastest way to fix it is to just get up and try to act out the scene. To see if, even if you're not taking picture of it as a reference, just by moving your body, you can kind of get the sense of if you're drawing the pose correctly, or if you're drawing the right moment. Getting up and moving and feeling it, it's like, and you go, okay, this one, oh, my hand's this way when he's moving over here, or like my hand's that, okay, maybe that looks more natural. If you're not taking picture of it, you can, just by feeling yourself doing it, it's easier to draw it. Draw 3 or more kids in motion in a scene together. If I'm mean, I'd say 5, because that's what they told me to do with Snowball Moon. It's just, I get hired a lot. This is what I get usually hired for. I guess seeing in the Beautiful, sometimes it's like that too, but most of them, they need to interact with other kids, and being able to draw different kids, as individuals in a scene. They can do anthropomorphized animals too if they want, anthropomorphized animal kids if they want to, but multiple interacting with each other.